We are the Pandanas. Our next trip is Boracay! See you at the airport! See you at the airport!
Hi guys.
Hi guys! So we're gonna eat. Say hi! We're gonna eat.
Careful ka lang pag nililigo mo kasi nakakahilo yun.
We're gonna eat. We're gonna like eat. Let me show you the food. I'm gonna show you.
Oh, here. Breads. Wala na pala.
Look at me. Look at me. 6'7".
If you guys know 6'7", let me leave a heart in the comments. Yeah. Bye. We're gonna eat na. Hi guys. Say hi.
So they're eating. Oh, dyan muna yan sa
Say hi.
I want to move it. I can't see. Ah, you're eating. Your mouth. What's the one thing you underneath? My mouth. Oh, that's accepted. You could move it to us. No, it will be too close now. You know what it
I will look.
It's not irritating.
Change.
Eh, nag-video siya. Hi guys.
Hi guys, we're eating. Hi guys.
Anyway, may ano ka.
Hi vlog.
Ganun naman bungad sa akin. Pero alam niyo na.
Daming tao.
Ang kulit ni Kirby.
Oh, you say hi. Hi. We're vlogging. And I'm so white. Ang puti ng mukha ko. Bakit ang puti ng mukha ko? Bakit ang puti ng mukha ko dito?
Buti nagte-text lang si Lucas.
Ano nag sa'yo? I need kasi ito. Akin na yung coffee ko, be. Lahat na lang pinabitbit nyo kay daddy. Wait, kasi I have to put it on. Hi, guys.
Hi, we're going to Boracay.
Hi. Oli, say hi. Hi, Oli.
Blah, blah.
We're going to Boracay. Ulit-ulit.
Oh God.
Ang kiauti. Meron pong
We're
kiauti.
going to the plane.
That's the plane.
Going up.
Why are you chup-chuping? You're sleepy? Sleepy?
Give you that umbrella after.
They got it. It's okay, saglit lang naman tayo. Hello. Hello, Ollie. Hi.
It's so hot. Let's go fast.
Nagagawa mo.
Nag-hike. Ayan, distancing. Ang taga.
Eh, nasa Pilipinas eh. Ayun.
Can I get?
Oh, wait.
Oli na lang.
Oh, go.
Push it. Go, go.
Yeah.
For Pantanan and
Delano. Yay.
7 adults.
Hindi talaga sila magkahiwalay. Ano?
Kailangan talaga may gagano.
Go up. Sige na, hindi kayo maghihiwalay.
We'll put your luggage here in front. Thank you, sir. Here's your copy, sir, for your 2 pieces of luggage.
Thank you.
Hi.
Hi. Pre, hi ka.
Hi, vlog.
Pagkadating, meron agad candy.
Ayun lang. Di kasama?
Brian, alalayan mo yan. Baka may sumugso.
Yung dalawang accident prone, antayin mo tong isa, be.
Ayun na, come here.
Oh, Ellie, you go to your daddy. Kasi, alam, ano to, mali-mali.
Ang dami ko mga dala.
Wow! Ay, ang init, grabe.
May dilaw na ako nung nakaraan.
Wow! Thank you! Iba talaga ang service.
Kanya-kanya tayo.
Oli.
Oh, I want there the open one. So, I will not get...
Okay.
Thanks.
Open this.
Oh, ang lamig. Ah. Oh my gosh.
Hi.
Uy, may mga kasamahan tayo. Isa-isa mo. Ilang minutes na lang. Going to the island. Thank you.
Joey, Ali. 1, 2, 3.
Hi guys, so we're going to Discovery Boracay. Oli's gonna see Bogart again for the second time. She loves Bogart.
Wait, you sit down.
The new video.
Can we get the back?
Welcome drink.
How about for the 360 roof deck? Have you tried that before na? Aside from the food there, meron din yung pinaka-as dito. Which is a 360 roof deck naman. Isang support ng business. 360 roof deck has the infinity pool. Kung sila
Hi guys, so we're in Discovery.
Oh, look where you're going. Huwag ka mag-hi guys. Hi guys dyan.
You went here before. Oh yeah. Remember the time the...
Oh, remember there was a ball?
Yeah, before.
But now, go on.
Happy summer! Hindi pa tayo nakakapagpalit.
One side po, 200. Half break po, 300. Presyo, yeah. Ay,
Ganun yung pahaba lang. Ay, ito.
oo po,
Yung ganito mo
yeah.
gano'n.
50 lang yan yung kulay, sir.
50 isa.
Pero may labor siya. Isang side.
Gabahan mo na.
Kala mo naman si Arvin yung magpapabraid, siya yung nag-aano talaga.
Saan yun?
But I want the one here in the head.
What?
I want the one here in the head.
We will... Sino daw naman? Tapos, dahan-dahan lang. Ang dami na nakalagay. Yung top wag na. Okay na yung
Ay, frozen iced tea.
frozen iced tea na lang. Ito lang.
Hi.
Sa kanila na.
Hi guys. We're in. Hi guys. Puro hi guys. Hi guys. We're in
Oyster season.
Two Seasons. Two Seasons.
Season.
We're in Two Seasons. Anong tawag dito? Barlow, yun. Barlow. Ay, nawala. Why?
Saan famous ang oyster sisig? How much yung oyster sisig nila? Hanapin natin yung
Ano kayo? Wait, kabila.
appetite. Kabila.
Baka gusto mo gamba set
$4.95. Saka yung cheese pizza nila dito masarap.
pasta.
Masana ang pizza. Ito. 4 cheese pizza, $8.95. Yummy.
I-mix lang ni Kuya. Kailangan mo ba to?
Bali, isa outside sisig din yan eh.
Yung sa inyo. Yung in-order ni Adrian.
Yan talaga yung ano nila. Yeah, sarap. Namiss ko yan. Ay, yummy.
Grabe yung ano, gambasete ni Yogi. Grabe yung engheng.
Ay, manghang. In-order.
Inalis na yung mga ano eh, pepper.
Parang ano pala yan? So, pang share. Ang dami.
Depende sa appetite.
Depende sa pagkamis mo. Isang taon na hindi kinain. Thank you.
Thank you sa pagkoma. Kuya?
Wow, hello. Hello, Inet. Hi, guys. Let's go check in na.
Lagyan mo ng kuya.
Ma'am, for your key cards po, ma'am, and your Wi-Fi logins po as well.
Okay.
First letter would be capital letter po, ma'am, as well as the password, no spaces po. Sige, sir. Enjoy po.
Thank you.
She wants burger.
Wow, look. Look. It's like our room before. Ah, look. What's that?
It's my birthday.
Happy birthday, Queen.
It's me, guys.
Happy summer.
Guys, it's my birthday.
Boga.
She promised she come back.
Uy, bay, nakabukas pa yung pinto.
What will guys? Yo.
Ah, dito tayo sa likod naman. Okay din, malapit pag ano. Ito, bedroom. Sweet. Wow! Wow, may dining. Paikot ako. CR. Shower. Ah! May bathtub! May bathtub! Sana pala dinala ko yung ano, may bathtub.
Wait, can I see it?
Sana dinala ko yung ano.
Connecting. May connecting.
Ay, sino to? Char. Bakit may tao na nung dumating kayo? Uy, ang saya.
Hi guys, so we just refreshed and then we're going to D-Mall.
I want to see her outfit. Wow, naka-crop top si ate. At ang maliit. Wow, very sunny, summery. Si Odi. Fank na fank.
Where's Ata Yogi?
Yung ate.
You get the
See you later.
Ata Yogi check.
Where? Fit check. Ay, kasama namin siya. Ano to si Adrian?
Kapag naka-pali.
Oo, maayos tignan. Let's go. Punta kaming D-Mall.
Let's go.
Punta kaming D-Mall. I-meet natin si The Fat Louie. Umorder ako sa kanyang earrings. But let's see if hindi ako mahiya mag-vlog. Bye!
Hi, we're in D-Mall. We're gonna be back to favorite
This is
TikToker?
D-Mall
Favorite TikTok?
in Boracay.
Yeah, in top.
Look where you're going ah, hindi pantay-pantay. Ate, look where you're going ah.
I love this guy. Remember?
Yeah, we went there. Be, pag magpapahilo tayo, may isa akong gusto itry. Yung ano yung Tiger something. May discount din yung isang pinafollow kong vlogger dito.
Hi, Ollie. Come on. Let's go around. Wow, come here. Ollie. Hi, love. Are you having fun? Hi, ate. Hi, Ellie. Where are you?
We're in D-Mall.
Yeah, there's a lot of...
You know what? Ollie survived the, what do you call this?
The temptation of the toys.
Yeah, this temptation of the toys. Like, the already survived it. Already. He's the one that you
What's that? Is that your favorite mango? Say bye-bye. Be. Hi, guys. What did you do a while ago?
we just
We just what?
picture.
Picture with the Ollie Sandcastle. And we're going to Talipapa. Hi, Ollie. We're walking, we're going to Sababi. Bye, guys. Hi, Ate Yowie. Bye, Ollie. Say bye-bye, Ollie. Where are we? We are in the Lost Village. Hi, Queen. Look at me naman. Queen is not looking.
I'm here. No, you're not. Yes,
No, you're not. Hi, Ollie.
on the side.
Oh, here.
Dito yung isa na malaki ate. Sa naglilihi.
Wow! Wow! Sarap. Bye, we're back in our room, in their room. Oh, come on, we'll get muna the ano, your clothes. We will knock na lang. Kunin muna yung gamit. Nasaan yung mini ano nakuha mo? Yung...
Oh, wait. Wait, remove your hands. Oh.
Wow!
Wow! What's that?
Wow! Wow, there's a letter. It's happy birthday,
Adley.
Miss Queen.
It's me.
Oh, and there's a... Oh, wow.
So that when we sleep, it's already
Wow.
Bye, vlog.
Bye.
And for day 1.
Hi guys, so it's day 2. We're going to eat at the buffet.
Buffet. Going to buffet.
So bye guys, see you at buffet.
are in.
This is the pool. And then outside of Sam's restaurant, Induco restaurant, there's the beachfront. And the ball to the jail cell.
Oh, yes.
Smiling pancakes, oatmeal cookies, apple lunch tip.
Wow. It's for Ollie.
And then French fries. Wait, can I wait?
Favorite dress.
It's recording.
Yeah. Ha? I'm just back because something was wrong.
Okay, you get your food na. Later na you get that. You get mo. Ah, you want. Okay. So cute. We get with your hands na lang. What else? The waffle. There's chicken nuggets. No? Here, how about here? You want cereal or donuts? No? Okay. Go na there. Sit beside daddy na lang. There sa blue para dyan ka. Ay, or dito ka.
Thank you.
Lambot din ng beef pares.
Sarap lahat. Sarap ng salmon.
Masarap daw nakakuha ng salmon.
Sarap.
Tuwan-tuwa si Ellie, may daing na bango.
Sabi niya nga, favorite daw ng daddy.
No. Ganda, parang painting yung Boracay. No?
Dito, na view yung sa
Parang painting, no?
Oo, may barko, tapos ay barko ang bangka, and then the
Yung mountain. Hindi tayo balik ng kain. Ay, kukuha pala ako dapat ng tinapay. Video tayo.
Naka-sunscreen naman na ako.
Ako rin eh, same tayo. Nag-take out po si Klakla. Nasa kanya ang ebidensya. Nasa kanya po ang ebidensya ng take out.
It's Bogart.
Ang sarap mag-swimming. Ah. Grabe, sobrang tagal nila, no? Ang dami natin na pagkwentuhan.
Feeling ko may
May pag-aaway na
pag-aaway na nagaganap. Sabi na naman, Mami kasi you're so tagal.
Oo. Tayo na naman, di ba? Hindi talaga sila mabubuhay nang wala sa tayo.
Sanabi ko. Sabi na naman, sinabi ko na nga kayo pag kay ate ka daddy. So tagal kasi.
Kayat muna kami. See you later. Later.
Morning. Hi, ate. Hi, Oli. Hi. Hi.
Hi guys, so we're in the pool. Hi. I can do a jump.
Yes, wait. I'm gonna change the case. Okay? See you later. Oh, ate will jump. Oh, 3.
Oh yeah, jump record. That's gonna jump record. We're gonna jump record, bro.
Music video. No, don't do that.
Hey, look at me. Go underwater.
5 minutes na.
Go underwater.
What's that? What's that?
It's okay. It's still recording. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, go.
Can I have
The red one. Go.
what's under? last. Them muna. O you go under na lang. We're gonna go to the beach now. Bye. See you at the beach.
Hi guys! Welcome to their vlogs. Hi Ate Yowie. Hi Tito Adrian. We're in the beach. Hi Ate, where are you?
I'm here.
Can you see me?
Careful, Ellie.
It's getting deeper and deeper, ha?
Can I?
Ako go. O, there you go. Ayaw mo braid? Nagpapabraid si Ollie. Wow! Ang deep na agad!
Yeah.
Wow!
Careful lang.
Can you stand? I'm gonna stand firm.
Oh my gosh, I can.
No.
Odi, look oh.
Hi guys.
Hi.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Yo.
Hi. guys.
Music video.
Hello. Lagi na lang hi guys.
Go under, Odi.
Under tayo. One, two, go. Ate. Kami. Odi, you try.
Uy, deep na dito. Si Odi, hawakan. Hawakan. I cannot.
Baka kabila yung low tide niya. Hi. Hi, Ate Yowie.
Hi. Ellie. Hi, we're in the beach. Say hi.
We are in the farm. time. I didn't see it.
You see it? Daddy, see for it. It's so cold, you know? Go on. Try to go under.
Sabi niya.
Hi, I'm gonna swim underwater. And also Lodi has braids. That's so cool, right? Great. Okay, I'll just find my best friend. She's not here. I'm just That's what you thought. Then I will do laps. Oh wait, this is my best friend. Ollie. So we're gonna go underwater together. Wait, no, Ollie, let Ollie turn.
Oh yeah, I did.
Say hi.
Hi. Swimming right now. I mean, we're swimming right now. This is Ollie. Ollie is swimming. This is Ellie. She's gonna swim. She's gonna swim. I mean, she's swimming. This is Ollie. Oh, underwater. It's off.
Did you see that one?
I didn't. No, it's still record. Oh, this is Ollie. It's not the. Wait, Daddy! The camera, it's off. Can you put
Where we vlogging? No, Ollie, I want to. Wait, Ollie, I'm gonna wear this. I'm gonna wear this.
Is your camera waterproof?
Yeah.
Can I put it under?
Yeah, you can.
Wait, give me this.
Did you see that? Oh, we don't mind that. I'll try to with you guys. Yeah, and then
When is the turn off?
hi. I'm like riding on the floaty. There's the red. Wanna see? Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna
And then everyone sees. underwater, guys. Oh my god. There's too much water. So look at me underwater. Wait, can it flip? Okay, guys, this is the Why is there ball? Wait. The ball. I need the ball. Okay, Oli will grab my. Guys, I'm sorry, I have no bucket for Kyle. Wait, bucket. I have to put on my goggles. Wait, can you hold for a moment? Oh, wait. Okay, my turn. Come on, I need to hold it. Wait, no. Let me hold it now. Please. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Can you see that? Try to go underwater. It's recorded, but your camera is waterproof, so it's not gonna break. Daddy!
When there's the red light, it's recording now.
I need to put on my goggles. Yes. What in the world are they doing? Yeah, she can't hold it. She can't hold it. So guys, tell them that we're best friends. My mom got it. Mommy, say hi. I'm gonna get off. 3, 2, 1. We will go under. 3, 2, 1. Now we're gonna because like do anymore, and I'm gonna see. I can't breathe. I'm out of oxygen. Because we went under. Oh my gosh. My sister's back. Oh. I don't know. Ask your dad. Daddy, how do you like stop recording? How do you stop recording? How do you stop recording? Hi guys. Oh my mom's there. Oh your mom's there. Oh my gosh. I almost drowned. Oh no. I'm gonna pepper you with.
Ang binabantay niyo, okay? Ang binabantay niyo.
Wow, chicken spring roll. Mmm. Mmm. Wow. Thank you.
Ma'am, cold towel please. How about cucumber for the eyes? Thank you po.
Thank you. Cupcake. Thank you. Cupcake.
Banana towel. Thank you. Cucumber for the eyes.
Sayang sir, kasi today umikot talaga.
Oh, tinan mo ang shades ni Ellie.
Gagawin ko lang sir
Oh, pak, ganun.
kung mayroon
Oh.
dito.
Ang simbolo ng sama.
Siya talaga yung model ng ano,
Official.
model ng Boracay.
Oh.
Ano yung ba't may pagtingin sa You go there.
Hindi mahirap paano yung sila. Oh.
Doon ka sa may Jonas. Model ka ng Jonas. Dali, go ka. Ay! Ay!
Walang ngiti yan.
Ano na yan?
Anak ko ba yan? Parang hindi ko alam kung anak ko ba yan. Hi guys!
Going to island hopping. See you there.
What is gonna do?
We're gonna do island hopping and we're like island hopping is like going to different islands.
Bye!
Bye, see you there.
Hi guys! Island hopping today. This is the boat and this is the crew. Let's do it! Hi guys! Hi sir!
Hi! Going on island hopping. Hi, Ollie. No jumping. Wow.
Da 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 da. Let's go. Hi guys! Hi Yoli! Hi guys! Hi Ollie!
There! Hi!
Hi guys!
Crystal Cove!
In the cove
Hi!
of the crystal.
Hi! With my island girl! Let's video together! Video together with our island girl! Hi! What? Oh, go, go, go. 1, 2, 3. Try natin, kunwari bata.
Hi guys! We're in the island of Crystal Cove, and I'm with the naughtiest girl in the world. Oh, it's so hot! Hi guys! Hi mommy! Magsiswim daw. Ollie! Hi, loves! Hi, ma'am! What's that? Showing the video. What's that? Did you find seashells in the seashores? Bye!
Go! Wow! Oh, again.
What kind of pitaw did you do?
I'm doing it, but he's complaining.
Okay. So,
Ate, Yowie may nagpa-volleyball eh.
Ate, I think magpalit kayo ni Ellie ng posisyon. Okay. Para yung maliit hindi maan. No! You want to do it again, guys? Si Oli talaga gusto niya yung ganyan na nakakaintindi sa kanya. Pag si Oli at si Ellie, nasistress na.
Ollie! Ano yun? Ba't umikot? Are you washing machine?
Are you washing yourself?
Mamaya mahilo ka. Nagdando sa ano.
Hi, guys! Hi, Belano Farm! Hi, Pandanas! Hi, Farm!
Ay, pwede ba ito hawakan? Pwede ito hawakan, kuya? Pwede ito hawakan?
Hi, loves! Oli! We're married! Ganda ba yung likod, oh? Thank you, Mother Nature. Hi, love. Bye-bye.
Let's see. Oh, look! Bago!
Yeah. I love you.
Remove your slippers, please.
Be, I love you.
I love you. Let me see.
I love you, mommy. Puto Maya.
Wow!
Anniversary, my...
Ay, wow! Ngayon pala yung happy anniversary! Wow!
Daddy, look.
I love you, mommy.
Daddy,
Wow!
look.
So cute!
That's so cute. How did you make that?
Wow! Wow!
How did
Wow!
you make that?
I don't know.
Anniversary, love.
Thank you. Hindi ka na tawid na tayo. Elia.
Hi guys, so we're gonna eat an island chicken ulam.
At sobrang daming tao. Daming tao. Ano to? Isol at saka patikulo. This one is the yummy.
Hindi, ano to, pecho.
Pecho.
May ate yung pa.
Eto, pecho din ba to?
Check Italy your hair.
Pecho din.
Yeah, pecho.
Yempo.
Only you, spread the rice ulit in the bicol. And slice na your chicken. Chocolate mama.
Going to Coco Mama.
Oh, go here in front.
Going to Coco Mama.
Pero sa D-Mall, Avenue, hanggang 11.
Sayang. Sana dun pala tayo.
Meron po doon.
Tapos si Banana, nasaan?
Nadilta ni Papa.
Kasama sila ni Ian. Hanggang 10 pa naman, ma'am. Pero 48 off lang po kami. Sa ngayon hanggang 48. Nakain ka na sa beach. Bawal pala.
Ano size in order mo?
Ito.
Kami parang medium ata.
Medium 6 scoops. Large yung 6 scoops plus ano siya? Mix ka din. Parang ang galing niya ate. Parang okay.
Perfect.
Pero pag ako yan, pasakit na yung kamay. Oo, ma'am. Pag matigas, ma'am. Kailangan medyo malambot yung ice cream. Oo. Matigas din. Mahirap din yun, ma'am, kasi matutunaw din ako. Ayun lang.
Ayan ang masarap.
Bakit? May mango ka din. Masarap. Hindi ko alam ha, pero pang mas masarap. Masarap pa ako sa Boracay.
Kasi sa La Union.
Pero pare-pareho lang. Ewan ko ba, mas masarap pa na. Ilang spoon po sa medium, ma'am?
4 po.
Sa large po, 4 din po. Medium po.
Thank you.
Large.
Pwede ka itong 20.
Walang 5.
Bigyan ko ng 20.
May 20 ako, baka need.
Marami na.
Ayaw ko ng 20 na.
Marami na.
Ay, sunod. Ito yun.
Ito oh. Kaso medyo madilim pala na. Pero okay lang. Alika, dito oh, may upuan dito. Dito yung may ihaw eh. Wala na. Gabi na
Ano
kasi.
pala siya ilaw? Ano pala siya?
CCTV. Here oh, di ba? Hi. What?
There's no water.
It's low tide.
We just went from 7-Eleven.
11! Look where you're going kasi may mga butas eh. Yes?
What does that word mean?
Low tide. It means the tide is low or the water is low. It's far. If it's high tide, the water is high. The tide is high. The water is up to here. Tomorrow morning, it's high tide. So the water will be here up.
Ganito siya pa obra. Sa umaga. Pero kapag ay.
Bakit ng umaga hanggang taas? Tapos yung mga puno. Tanongin niya.
Pero papalit na ka. Oh, finish the mangoes, lo. Can you leave one for me? One lang.
Ba't parang di kita yung moon?
Kung ano yung reflection natin, parang highway.
Mango mama.
Ollie's eating mango mama and this is the aftermath.
Hold lang your spoon.
Hi guys, so it's end of day 2. See you at day 3. Bye.
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 Bye Ollie.
Bye, guys.
Bye Ate Ayowi and Odi.
Bye.